If you're building a battery pack or working on a solar energy system, this is exactly the type of upgrade you should be looking at. This BMS supports a wide range of batteries, including LiFePO4, Li-ion, LTO, and even 18,650 cells, with configurations from 7S up to 20S, so it's extremely flexible for different projects. One of the best features here is the 2A active balancing, which helps keep all the battery cells evenly charged. This improves efficiency and significantly extends the overall battery lifespan. Performance-wise, it handles 200 amps continuous current and can even go up to 350 amps peak for short periods, which makes it perfect for high-power applications. Another standout feature is the Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect it to your phone and monitor everything in real time: voltage, current, and overall battery health, all from a clean and simple app. It also includes advanced safety protections like overcharge, overdischarge, and overcurrent protection, keeping your system safe at all times. Whether you're building a solar storage system, an electric vehicle, or a DIY battery pack, this BMS gives you the control and reliability you need. If you want to check it out, you'll find the link in the first comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.